Hi, today's topic is what is SMPS? Before going for SMPS, the full form of SMPS is switch mode power supply. Now, SMPS or switch mode power supply is an electronic power supply system that makes use of switching regulator to transfer electrical power effectively. It is a power supply unit and usually used in computers to change the voltage to the appropriate range for the computer. And SMPS adjusts output voltages and current between different electrical configuration by switching the basics of typical lossless storage such as capacitors and inductors. Ideal switching concepts determined by transistors controlled outside of that active state that have no resistance when on and carry no current when off. Actually, it is an idea why switches with an ideal function will operate with a 100% output. That is, all input energy is provided to the load. No power is wasted as dissipated heating. In fact, such ideal systems do not exist, which is why switching power source cannot be 100% proficient. But it is still vital improvement in effectiveness over a linear regulator. Working principle of SMPS. In SMPS devices, the switching regulators are used which switches on and off load current to maintain and regulate the voltage output. Suitable power generation for a system is the mean voltage between off and on. Unlike the linear power supply, the SMPS carry transistor switches among low dissipation, full on and full off phase, and spend much less time in high dissipation cycle, which decrease depleted strength. Now, what are the benefits of SMPS? The switch mode power source is small in scale, light in weight. Power consumption is typically 60 to 70%, which is ideal for use. SMPS is strongly anti-interference. The SMPS production range is large. Now, what are the limitations of SMPS? The complexity of SMPS is very large. The production reflection is high and its control is weak in case of SMPS. Use of SMPS can only be a step-down regulator. In SMPS, the voltage output is just